Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best scratch painting is probably one of the most satisfying art forms you can try, offering a unique blend of creativity and relaxation. It's a fantastic way to unwind and create stunning artwork by revealing vibrant colors hidden beneath a dark surface. Whether you're a seasoned artist or a complete beginner, scratch painting provides an accessible and engaging experience, perfect for adults looking for a new hobby. Number 5. Scratch Paper Rainbow Painting Sketch Pads, 4 packs. This scratch paper lets you create amazing art. Simply scratch off the lines to reveal vibrant colors beneath. It's easy and fun for everyone. Need a break? This scratch-off painting is perfect for stress-free relaxation. It's a simple, time-wasting activity that helps you unwind. This is a great arts and crafts activity for both kids and adults. It encourages creativity and provides hours of entertainment. It's a delightful craft supply. Once you're finished, you can display your artwork or give it as a gift. The final art is stunning and unique. It's a perfect way to personalize your space. We are confident that you'll love this product. If you have any issues, please contact us. We're here to help resolve any problems. What we like? This scratch-off painting is designed with easy-to-trace gray lines, making it accessible for everyone. It's a perfect way to unwind and de-stress, offering a simple yet engaging activity. If you're looking for a relaxing hobby that also yields beautiful home decor, you should consider this. What people say. The scratch art paper is protected with a transparent and paper covering. Tools are provided for the scratch art paper, which is an awesome bonus. The colors are vibrant and the finished product looks great. Number 4. Scratch Rainbow Art Paper Animal Series. This scratch art set is perfect for both adults and kids. It includes everything you need for creative fun. It's a complete DIY craft kit for family bonding or solo artistic exploration. Made from non-toxic, odorless coated art paper, this product is safe for everyone. It passes rigorous FDA certifications, ensuring a worry-free experience with no harmful chemicals. Reveal vibrant animals hidden beneath the matte coating. Pre-printed designs guide your scratching, and no drawing skills are needed. This product sparks imagination in kids and inspires adults. Designed from real-life images, the finished art can be framed. It can be used as wall decor or a unique handmade gift. The results are stunning and gallery-worthy. Unwind with meditative scratch art. This portable DIY craft kit lets you create anytime, anywhere. It's perfect for travel or relaxing at home. This is a creative alternative to generic gifts. It's ideal for birthdays or housewarming presents. It includes all the tools and boards, ready to gift wrap for instant delight. What we like? This kit provides a complete set of tools and materials, ensuring a hassle-free experience for all ages. The materials are non-toxic and certified, making it safe for kids. If you're looking for a creative gift that can be framed and displayed as art, you should choose this one. What people say. Awesome time killer fun to do. Some are for more advanced. Great creates something cute without stress to be creative. Easy to scratch. So pretty. Hours of fun. Number 3. Scratch Art Set, Rainbow Engraving Painting Landscape Scratchboard. This amazing scratch art set is perfect for both kids and adults. It features bright colors and patterns hidden beneath a matte coating, ready to be revealed. Each scratch card has a foil layer with sketches. Use the included scratch pen to reveal the beautiful colors underneath. It's a fun and easy way to create stunning artwork. The set comes with a scratch pen, a cleaning brush, and with stylus sticks. It also includes 8 scratch drawing boards featuring famous landmarks around the world. This scratch art set is a great activity for artists of any age. It's excellent for keeping busy and creating amazing artwork. You can frame the finished art and hang it on the wall or display it on your desk. It's also a great gift for friends and family. What we like? This set features iconic landmark building designs, offering a unique artistic experience. It's a complete set, suitable for artists of any age. If you're looking for a creative and portable gift, especially for travel or outings, you should consider this. What people say. They are very tedious but fun to do and come out with a nice picture. Theses are awesome, well made and really fun to do. The tools it comes with are great. But the colors are beautiful and it is an easy way to pass time. Number 2. AP ARTSPER Rainbow Scratch Art Painting Paper. Introducing this amazing scratch art set. It's perfect for artists of all ages. With the included tools, you can create stunning, colorful artwork. The set includes scratch cards, a scratch pen, a clean brush, and a wood stylus. This provides everything you need to get started. It's a complete package for your artistic journey. Each card has a matte coating that hides vibrant colors and patterns. Simply scratch away the gray sketches with the pen to reveal the beautiful colors underneath. This is a fun and engaging activity. It's a great activity for kids and adults alike. This is a delightful craft supply to keep you busy and entertained. It's perfect for leisure time and educational fun. This makes a perfect gift for any artist. You can frame your finished artwork or give them as gifts. It's a great way to decorate your home and increase the artistic atmosphere. What we like. This product features vibrant colors hidden beneath a matte coating, making it easy to create stunning artwork. It's a great activity for all ages. If you're looking for a simple yet rewarding art project, you should consider this. What people say. You don't have to be good at art or have any skills to make these, and there is something so satisfying about scratching to reveal the pretty colors. The scratch cards are nice and packaged well. The grayscale pictures are clear to follow. Vibrant colors and easy to use. Number 1. MIASTAR Scratch Painting Kit, Paris, Louvre. Looking for a fun and easy art project? This scratch painting kit is perfect for artists of all ages. It's a stress-free way to create beautiful artwork. The kit comes with everything you need to get started, including scratch boards, a scratch pen, and a cleaning brush. It even includes blank boards for free drawing. Simply scratch away the matte coating to reveal the bright colors and patterns underneath. It's easy to create stunning and unique works of art. Once you're finished, you can frame your artwork and hang it on the wall. It also makes a great gift for friends and family. This scratch painting kit is a complete art set for anyone. The size is perfect for teens and adults, and it's easy to take with you anywhere. What we like. This set features iconic Paris Louvre designs, perfect for sparking creativity. It simplifies the painting process, making it easy to create beautiful art. If you're looking for a creative outlet for teens or adults, you should consider this. What people say. There is so much intricate details that a kid would get bored pretty darn quickly. Each pick is individually wrapped as a reusable durable envelope type setup. They give you all the tools, which is nice, though the bamboo stick is what I prefer to use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.